Hey guys, what's going on? I'm just walking back to my lair after getting off the wildlife jeep, and I have that feeling that something's following me. All in these pots, all in these woods. As you can see, there's woods surrounding everywhere from my lair. And there's tons of animals. I feel like something's following me. Could be a mountain lion, maybe even a beaver coon. Beaver coon are very rare in these parts, but there's been stories from ancient times about the beaver coon and Bigfoot. All of these animals have been known for attacking human beings and skinning the flesh off of their bones. I just can't help but wonder why I have that feeling of being followed. It's a horrible feeling, you know. I've never had that feeling. It's like there's a rush, and then you can just feel it. There you go, I'm getting a little bit woozy. Oh God. Oh God, there's something behind me. Oh God, oh God. Ah!